Are you looking for the best wood router? In this video, we will break down the top 4 wood routers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DEWALT DWP611 Pack Combo Kit. The router comes with some convenient lighting features as well. The design includes 2 separate LED lights which are mounted near the base. This will help you out on the jobs where you need to work in tighter, poorly lit places. If your workshop doesn't have much space to work around in, then this wood router is the perfect solution for all your wood shaping needs. It also comes with the variable speed function. By using the speed trigger, you will be able to change the motor rotation from 16,000 RPM all the way to 27,000 RPM very easily. So, if you have a lot of different jobs lined up from smaller ones to bigger ones, then this wood router will help you make quick work of all of them. At number 2. Bosch 1617F's Wood Router Combo Kit. This wood router features a variable speed motor that is controlled with a dial. It features a soft start design and maintains a constant speed while under load. Includes a quick clamp system on both bases. Includes a fixed base system that allows the bit height to be adjusted from above a router table. It features wide base openings to easily view the workpiece and includes contoured soft grip handles for comfort. It also features a microfine bit depth adjustment system on either base, equipped with a fixed base with Bosch 4 and 3 hole patterns for mounting to a router table. At number 3. Triton TRA001 Precision Plunge Wood Router. This router is suitable for working in all weather conditions. Your sweaty hands might cause slipping in summer, but its rubberized handle significantly absorbs the sweat and retains friction between hand and grips. Where there are levers or knobs for height adjustment in this model, you have twist and turn handles to control the peak. To get to the desired depth, you have to use a micro winder for that purpose. The kit is supplied with a fixed and plunge base. The bases can be changed without any complication by pressing a single button station on the router. To eliminate dust, a vent system is installed. These vents can collect debris and waste. It is installed with an extremely powerful motor of 3.25 horsepower and an optimal speed of 8,000 to 21,000 revolutions per minute. At number 4. Makita RT0701CX7. This soft start woodworking router comes with a plunge base that you can easily snap on depending on your application. It is quality and durability, as well as the various attachments you can use with it. The whole machine is compact and easy to handle. The fixed base, however, doesn't have handles at the sides, so holding the router on its head can make working a challenge. You can purchase an optional dust port for your fixed base attachment. This allows you to hook your machine to a shop vac and get rid of any resulting debris while working. Depth adjustment is made easy for its rack and pinion and cam lock adjustment. The number of attachments included, and a nice hard case that can double as a toolbox.